Join me as I take on the challenge of awakening my third eye chakra and see what unfolds in this mystical journey. The third eye chakra, located between our eyebrows, is known as the seat of intuition and inner wisdom. When balanced, it's believed to unlock higher states of consciousness, helping us see beyond the ordinary and connect with our true selves. But in today's fast-paced world, most of us feel disconnected from this powerful energy center. Constant distractions, stress, and mental noise can block our third eye, leaving us feeling confused, anxious, or distant from our inner voice. So how can we awaken it? One of the most powerful ways is through meditation. By simply sitting still, focusing on the breath, and visualizing a glowing light at the center of your forehead, you can begin to activate this chakra. Another amazing practice is third eye gazing. Gently focusing on the third eye point without forcing anything can trigger subtle sensations, a sign of awakening. You don't need big lifestyle changes, small mindful moments throughout your day. Spending time in nature or getting good rest can all help you reconnect with your intuition. When your third eye begins to open, you may feel deeper clarity, sharper instincts, and a beautiful sense of alignment with your purpose. This is not an overnight journey, it's a process. But every step brings you closer to a profound connection with your true self. If you've ever tried awakening your third eye chakra, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other chakra and spiritual growth videos. Let's explore this journey together.